Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Cybertruck at home. Let's start by understanding the different charging levels available. You have three main options for home charging, each offering varying speeds and installation requirements. Level 1 charging is the slowest but most accessible, using a standard wall outlet. Level 2 provides a much quicker charge, ideal for daily use, and requires a dedicated 240-volt circuit. Level 1 charging is perfect for overnight top-ups if you drive less frequently, typically adding 2 to 4 miles of range per hour. For most Cybertruck owners, Level 2 charging is the preferred option. It delivers 20 to 30 miles of range per hour, significantly reducing charge times. This level requires professional installation of a 240-volt outlet, similar to what an electric dryer uses. For the fastest and most efficient home charging experience, consider the Tesla wall connector. This dedicated charger can deliver up to 44 miles of range per hour, fully charging your Cybertruck overnight. It's designed specifically for Tesla vehicles and integrates seamlessly with your home's electrical system. While it requires professional installation, the convenience and speed are well worth the investment. To maximize your charging efficiency and save money, schedule your Cybertruck to charge during off-peak electricity hours, often overnight. You can easily manage this through the Tesla app, which also allows you to monitor your charging progress from anywhere. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Keeping your Cybertruck charged and ready ensures you're always prepared for your next adventure, whether it's a short commute or a long road trip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.